guys, today we're going to be talking about hydraulic and hydrostatic pressure. And the animation that we see here is a hydraulic pressure machine just pressing down on the pumpkin. Let's get started. So let's talk about what Pascal's principle is and how we can apply it to hydraulics. So Pascal's principle basically says that if you apply pressure to an incompressible fluid, so examples of this would be any type of liquid, then the pressure will be distributed throughout the entire fluid. So what it means is that pressure is going to be same within that vessel holding the fluid. And this is the concept by which hydraulic machines and hydraulic brakes work. Say if you have two pistons that are connected to each other, but the pistons have different areas. See that we have a smaller piston right here and a larger area piston right here. Well, the pressure